I'm standing in front of Circus Circus here in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, one of the oldest hotel and casinos in town. And what I found inside might just surprise you. Rumor has it that Circus Circus may or may not be getting sold soon. There have been so many videos saying that Circus Circus is the worst hotel, blah, 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 blah. I decided to check it out for myself. I have not stepped foot in this property since the 1990s, so I want to see how I feel when I get inside and what it's really like. This is one of the oldest hotels on the Las Vegas Strip. The curb appeal, I would have to grade it on a scale of 1 to 10, is probably closer to a 1. There was no trees or anything inviting, and there was a lot of caution tape, broken up asphalt as I entered the property. Well, I'm a little bit nervous because I haven't been to Circus in a long time, and so far, this curb appeal isn't looking too great. I'm walking through the back valet at Circus Circus to enter the hotel. Did you know that parking is free here at Circus Circus? You can come here if you're visiting Las Vegas and park for free. That is a hidden gem these days, believe it or not, because there's not many casino hotels where parking is still free, but you can park here for free at Circus Circus. You can see that it's pretty full and it's a Sunday afternoon. This is the lobby of the Circus Circus Hotel, and it's pretty nice and inviting. Really bright and open. I have just entered Circus Circus, and this is the registration area for guests, and it's really nice and modern. You can check yourself in here at these kiosks. It's a nice, bright, open area. It's a new modern take. You can check yourself in. Seems like it's really nice and easy. You don't have to wait for anybody to check you in. You can do it yourself. You just scan in and go. And I have to tell you, I'm surprised, and it smells really, really good in here. There's a Circus Spirit shop and plenty of people here. I have to say, Circus Circus is actually booming. Circus Circus has been open since 1968. And I have to tell you that this hotel looks good. I am completely surprised. So let's walk through the food court and see what Circus Circus has to offer. We have an Einstein bagel, Popeye's chicken, pickup sticks, and Burger King. I'm completely surprised at how clean and nice everything looks, even here in the food court. Food looks really yummy and delicious here, and the customers seem very, very happy. I'm here standing in front of the buffet at Circus Circus, which is right now closed, but it looks really nice inside. I'm currently walking through where the shops are here at Circus Circus, and they had a really nice little offering. I am very, very surprised. This hotel smells really good. It's super nice and clean, and it's crowded. It's got more people than some of the hotels in Las Vegas. Now, rooms do start from $20 to $50, and they can go up depending on the night that you're checking in and for how long and when you're staying here at the hotel. One thing I will say is that the ceilings are a little bit low and they're very dark, but I kind of like it. I think it adds like the Vegas touch. It reminds me of old Vegas, and I quite enjoy it here. So I am so happy that I stopped by Circus Circus today. Let's see if we can find any circus acts, and let's keep exploring. I really like the low ceilings here at Circus Circus. I think it brings Vegas nostalgia. It's got mirrors on the ceiling. There's some black on the ceiling. There's all kinds of different things. And guess what? I found the Midway. There is actually a trampoline net above my head there. This is Circus Circus in Las Vegas. I would say that if you're listening to naysayers say don't come to Circus Circus, you're missing out, because this is still a really great hotel to visit in Las Vegas. I am pleasantly happy. Look at this smile. As I walk through the Midway, I hear balloons popping, and I also hear bells ringing, and it sounds like people are popping balloon with their darts. This is a fun place. I really hope I get to see a circus act while I'm here. Oh, wow. Hello, teddy bear. I see a lot of people sitting and waiting for the next circus show, so I might have gotten lucky because I think I can see a circus act. This is so much fun here. I am pleasantly surprised by Circus Circus today. I'm in my seat waiting for the show. Would you believe that here at Circus Circus in the early years, they had a real-life elephant that would roam the floors here at Circus Circus, and the elephant's name was Tanya.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time for the eccentric buffoonery of our Circus Circus Clown. Please welcome Rocco!
I just saw the best show here at Circus Circus and it was absolutely free. The popcorn was only $5. The performances were great. You definitely want to stop by Circus Circus if you're here in Las Vegas and see the free show that they offer daily. They've been doing this since 1968 and they know how to entertain their guests and tourists. Thank you for going on this tour of Circus Circus here in Las Vegas with me. My name is Elisa, Does Vegas. I'm in the Adventure Dome.